Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to remove a TikTok followers from your account. To remove someone from your follower list, open the TikTok app, tap profile in the bottom right corner. On your profile, tap follower. Here you will find the follower list of your profile. Next to the follower you would like to remove, tap the three dot icon and tap on remove this follower. If you click on this person will be removed from your follower list. To remove a follower directly from their profile page, you can find their profile by tapping the follower on your profile. Tap on the follower. On their profile, tap the three dot icon in the top right. Select remove this follower. That very person will be removed from your follower list. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you liked this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.